Kove 800X Pro or Rally Rackless luggage support. So we have left side, right side, racks, the supplied hardware, 4 M8 by 25 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts, 4 washers, 2 nylock nuts, 2 M8 by 20s. Again, they're tapered Allen with washers, and 2 of these open-ended spacers, blue medium strength Loctite for all the bolts, but these 2 with the nylock nuts. And then the tools I'm going to be using, 13 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet extension, and a 6 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key. So first things first, at this point you must have your Outback Motortek rear luggage rack combo installed. This is a must-have in order to install the rackless support. And if you have, loosen the bolts if you haven't already. The brackets here should be loose. They should have some play. If you're keeping the OEM passenger foot pegs, which I don't have on the bike because we don't use them with rackless support, then you're going to loosen the bolts, both bolts per side, and then the front side of the rackless support will slide in here. And then to create the same equal space, you're going to slip this open-ended spacer in there. If you're not running the passenger foot pegs, ignore this part of the installation video. Okay, so I have the left side rack ready, and then the M8 by 20. I have some blue Loctite, a dab applied. Put the bolt through, hand thread it in. You don't have to use any tools at this point. And then you can choose to go with the center hole or the front, either or. On the back side, I'm going to put a washer on. And then the nylock nut. Space is a bit tight, so take your time. And then one last bolt on this side. Again, here where the passenger foot peg is supposed to go. I don't have it, so I don't need it. So I'm not gonna use the OEM bolt, just a supplied bolt. Okay, so the left side's on. This is complete. I still left it loose. So now you can repeat the very same steps on the opposite side. Okay, and so this is the end result of the Outback Motortek rackless support for Kove 800. You can see I don't have the passenger foot pegs installed on this bike. We have a prototype foot peg delete, so you can still hang the exhaust, which you will have to. So at this point, you can go ahead and gradually tighten all the bolts and nuts on both sides. And then you can also remember to tighten the bolts on the grab handles in the tiller rack, assuming that you have loosened those bolts and nuts. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll-free 877-931-3636. Also important, do not forget to double check the bolts and nuts once again after a test ride. And thanks for watching.